Baby, you know I really love her, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But I've been thinking about something lately, you know. We've been dating for more than 3 years now.
Okay.
Yeah, and we still haven't had sex. We still haven't had sex, baby. I want to have sex with you. I want to have sex with you. That's what I want to do, baby.
It's part of my religion. I only have sex after marriage.
Yeah.
I've explained that to you.
I know that, but it's like you never get turned on, you never get horny. I never touched your vagina before. I never got a chance to even touch or see your vagina.
Maybe if a man proposed to me the way they're supposed to,
Okay.
I would probably get turned on.
All right, well, in that case, say no more.